Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make the best buttercream icing. And I don't say this lightly because every single time I have made these for an event or a party, someone always comes up to me asking for the recipe saying it's the best buttercream they have ever had. Super easy to make, so keep watching and I'll show you how. 1 cup of room temperature salted butter. I cut mine up into little cubes because I forgot to put it on the counter overnight, so this is a good method to make it warm faster. 3 cups of icing sugar, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, and the last ingredient, 2 to 3 tablespoons of cream. I'm using half and half, which is 10%, or if you don't have cream on hand, you can definitely still use milk. Let's get started. I'm going to use my KitchenAid mixer. If you don't have a mixer, you can definitely do this by hand. So I'm going to put all of my butter in, and you want to really make sure that the butter is nice and soft. We're going to slowly start adding our icing sugar, maybe about 1/4 cup at a time. Because if you add too much at once, it's going to fly everywhere. So just do a little bit at a time. When you've gone about through half of your sugar, now would be a good time just to add a little bit of the cream, maybe the vanilla, just to moisten the, oh my goodness, sorry, I can't say that word after Trudeau. So as you can see, it's just a combination of putting a little bit of sugar in, and then once in a while, when it starts to get too dry, add a little bit of your wet ingredients in. Now we just have a little bit of sugar left, so I'm just gonna dump that all in. Remember, low speed. Now that you've scraped down the sides, give it one last final whip. If you're making only one color for your icing, this would be a great time to add the food coloring in. But if you're doing multiple colors, then just get some bowls, divide it up, and mix it that way. Easy, easy, easy recipe, and delicious. Now I'm making cupcakes, and the perfect cupcake tip is the Wilton 1M, and that's how you get the perfect swirl. So once doing that, stir on the outside and move your way in. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down below and I'll answer. And subscribe if you want to see some more recipes. Take care. I haven't had breakfast yet, so I should probably not eat this right now.